Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any Facebook account, how we can upload the reels? Lot of people worry about that reel uploading on business purpose. Those we can select it here. Reel purpose, the compulsory reel will be, we can upload will be 60-second video. Like there is nothing but 50-second video you can upload it. So those video we selected will be here, exactly 50 seconds. Select the video will be here. After video will be selected, click for it and next it. So those we can call for here is the option, and what are those options are here, and what we are in uploading in the content, they will be very simple content we can uploading from here is the option. So that is called, click here, and you can add by the contact details and publish it. This is your task you can done by here for every videos by the in a particular option. So here is that. So what are the video uploading will be here, and properly we can navigate here. Just you can what are the your information of the title, and what are the your particular option name is called in the particular video will be here. Those we can upload from the particular option. So now click for in this exit, and after sometimes the reel visible to the your particular page generating for more views. So that is the main option. So this is the particular parameter we can follow to uploading the reels on your particular option is called Facebook business page. So what is the main advantages on the uploading for Facebook reels? That only it is called to engage your audience and by using by Facebook option, and people will be look into the your reel and contact you easily by using for Facebook reel option. This reel will be play for customers into the watch option. They will be separately visible by option name is called reel, that is called engage your audience and getting for more customer purpose. Any reels uploading any issues, please contact our channel. I definitely will be help you regarding for Facebook reel and business purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.